Alam niyo ba ito ang pinaka-exciting na travel na ginawa ko? Yes, mga mami, we're going to Singapore. Alam naman natin na ang Singapore is one of the cleanest and most futuristic cities in the world. And in the next few days, I am exploring everything from iconic skyline views to insane street food. Let's go mga mi! Tara, samahan nyo kami para ma-explore nyo na rin kahit dito man lang sa vlog kung maipapakita sa inyo. Arrival door, ano dito? Hello, just arrived, Singapore. Tahu. Lalu like dia sekarang 2000. Asa magsaka dira te? Ako siguro one more no. Kaya wala na gawin na sakaan eh. Asang guard? Ay, yeah, nice. Uy, madam, pairam naman ito. Kasi video. Hi, we're here at the Amoy Street. Amoy talaga? Yes, Amoy. And we're off to the market where we will get free items. Free items po pa sa lubong. Ha! Joke! Free items according to our research. It's their market day today. And we have this happy festival. We don't know where the festival was. So where is Abby? Di mo gilike eh. Excuse. Binagyan itong pagtipid. Dito na ta.